Okay, I've just taken a short position here. Short position, and we're going to see what this thing does. See how it acts. I might want to go for more than 20 on this one. Today is October the 8th. May want to go for more than 20. We'll see what it does here. Starts giving entries to go short or whether it wants to reverse here. Let's see. Okay, I'm going to come right back. Okay, the code entry is good here. That makes 1, 2, 3. Yeah, let me go ahead and push it for a little bit more here. Let's take the limit down to, let's take it down to 15 for 40. $87.15. Okay, so that's a 40 tick trade right there. Let's see what happens. I just want to see how it's going to line up with the code. If it's going to start giving short entries, or is it going to reverse? We shall see. You can just basically follow it down now using the code. It's pretty easy. It'll either just keep on going and keep giving short entries off the code, or it'll start giving long entries. But anyway, it's a precision level entry, and I'm in and just waiting for it to happen. So I'm going to come back and update you on the progression of this trade. For those code traders out there, you can see we've got 3 short entries here. We're just waiting on the next one to see what it gives. And the bottom of the 10-minute is at 87.40, so we're 8 ticks away from the bottom right now. So if it gives another short entry, it's just going to go down to the bottom and go break. Okay, just gave another short entry. That makes 4 short entries now, and it's going for the bottom at 40. Should go break through that 40 no problem, because there's 1, 2, 3, 4 short entries. So pretty easy stuff. Pretty easy stuff. Now we just have to wait. It's in free. Well, it just bounced basically off the bottom there. Bottom, well, it broke through by what, 3 ticks. Just bounced a little bit. Now it's getting ready to go back, go down some more. It just should slide down now. It's in free territory. It's just in free territory here. But I'm going to use the code, and you know, we can get out with the code or whatever. Or we can just hold. The code may say, you know, stay short, or the code may say go long. You never know. But the point is, you can just follow it down. I mean, even if you didn't want to go long with it, let's say the code gave you a long entry down here. You don't want to try to grab the bottom and go long with it, but you could at least get out. It says go long, you just exit, take what profit you got. I'm just saying you can play the code like that if you want to. This is actually code 2, so it's gonna continue to go down. Well, actually, it might bounce, but then I mean, eventually, it's going to continue to go down. I'm just looking for a 15 exit. Got a little ways to go right there. I should make it. Should I see something real quick? I should make it, and then I've got to leave because I got to go do some things today. Alright, so I'm just going to make this one trade here. Quick little 40 ticks. Okay, so I'm going to come back and I'll show you the progression or outcome of this trade. Okay, I had to get out right there because it looks like it might start to back up, but I'm probably just going to have to take another re-entry again. But I just want to make sure it's a way for me to lock in the profit and then to reevaluate and see what the code's going to say. And then if it gives a long, I can go long. If it gives a short, I can go short again. It's no big deal. That's the luxury you have when you can play the code like that. You can just basically do whatever you want. You can do whatever you want to do. I'll be right back. Okay, I've taken another short position here. It's a little bit risky, but if it does go up, I'll be able to take a small loss. Looks like it is going to go up on me. Okay, I'm going to come right back. Entry is good so far, just looking to see if it's going to come down here and break the low of 26. It should. But needs to do it first. So I'll come back and show you the progression of this trade. Well, I'm just going down here to 14 for 20. I'm just going to 14 for 20. It's just going to be my last trade too, because I got to get going soon. So it's going to be my last trade. Just going to go for quick 20 ticks. So I'll be right back. Okay, it just dropped out really quick right there. And just hit the exit real fast. So, okay, so I'm done for the day. I really do got to get going. That was 2 quick, successful trades using the code. Code's working perfect today, unlike yesterday, where it was, you know, because see what? Look at what's happening. Is it going up and down? No, it's just making it easy today. Today's just an easy day. Wish I didn't have to go, but I do. I really got to take care of things. And so I will be back tomorrow, though, to do some more trading. I might make it back later today for the 1 trade a day strategy. That one was good for yesterday, too, by the way. All I had to do was wait a little bit longer, and then it made an entry, and then it was good for, well, I think it was good for 40 ticks. So 20 ticks would have been no problem. 30 ticks also could have gotten no problem. So I think I was going to go for 40 ticks on that one too. I can't remember now. But anyway, or maybe not. Maybe I was going to go for 20 because that's high math on that trade. But yeah, that trade's doing really super good. So if I make it back in time, I'll take that one later. But otherwise, you know, I mean, with the code, you've got so much stuff. You've got code 2, the first one, and you've got code 1 you could take anytime you want, which I just took 2 successful trades in a row. I mean, that's all you need. Two good trades a day, you're done. Or you can take the 1 trade a day strategy with the second code 2. I mean, that's a fantastic strategy. I mean, I could sit here and make an argument with you and say, why do anything else other than that? Why not just trade that 1 trade? The only argument I think you could come back with that makes sense is that, well, I live in Australia and that trade comes at the wrong time for me or something, you know. Something like that. I say, oh, okay. Or you work during that time and you can't trade that trade. Oh, okay. Well, that's understandable then. But otherwise, that is such a fantastic trade with such a high mathematics to it, and it's so easy. Unlike, for instance, you know, code 1 is pretty easy too, but it's harder because it changes more. So you got to change with it, and you got to see what it is and stuff like that. So it's a little bit harder. Where that one doesn't change; it's just the same every day. Same mathematics, same rules, everything, same logic. Nothing changes at all. So it's like the easiest trade there is. Of course, it's only good for 20 ticks, but still, 20 ticks is 20 ticks with that kind of high mathematics on it. You know what I mean? I mean, because this is controlled by a computer and doesn't really trade, as people falsely believe and have been led to believe, that's why it's so easy. That's why you can do really well on it. If it wasn't for that fact, then this would be a 1,000 times harder. Real trading is not so easy, trust me. It's not easy at all, in fact. And this is 1,000 times easier, as I keep showing, over and over and over again. And so anyway, I'm just here speaking the truth. That's all I can do is speak the truth, okay? Can't do anything more than that. A lot of people out there want to say, oh, blah, 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 this or that. Well, hey, you know, seen it with your own two eyes. Because a lot of people don't want to believe that it's controlled by a computer. So they reject it, reject it, reject it. Well, reject it all you want. Let us make money from it, okay? That's all because, you know, that's what we want to do, right? Okay, so I will be back tomorrow for more trading of the code, which is very easy to do. So, happy trading out there, traders, and I will see you tomorrow. Or I might come back today for that second trade. I'll try to make it back in time, but to be honest with you, I probably won't make it today. So, I'll be back tomorrow. Take care.